AutoCAD Basic Tutorial. Drawing in AutoCAD. Click the line. Click the line or polyline tool to draw lines. To draw your first lines, click the mouse at the starting point of your line segment. Move the mouse to the place where you'd like to end the segment, and click the mouse at the ending point. If you're using the line tool, this completes your first segment/line. 2. Click the circle. 2. Click the circle. Click the circle tool to draw a circle. It's to the right of the polyline tool in the toolbar. To draw a circle, click the location on the drawing area where the circle's center should be. Drag the mouse outward and click to select the radius. 3. Click the arcade. 3. Click the arc. Click the arc tool to draw a curved line. It's to the right of the circle tool in the toolbar. To draw an arced line, click the mouse at the starting point. Move the mouse and then click to end the segment. Move the mouse in the direction of the curve you want and click to curve the line. 4. Click the rectangle. 4. Click the rectangle. Click the rectangle tool to create a rectangle. The rectangle tool is simple. Click the first point, which will be any corner of the rectangle. Then drag the mouse until the rectangle is the size you want. Click the mouse to place the rectangle. 5. Click the polygon. 5. Click the polygon. Click the polygon tool to a multi-sided shape. Here's how. Move the cursor to the drawing area. You'll see a box that says enter the number of sides. Type the number of sides and press enter or return. Click the center point of your shape. Move the mouse to the desired size and click to place the shape. 6. Click the ellipse. 6. Click the ellipse. Click the ellipse tool to create an oval. An ellipse is created by placing 3 points. Here's how. Click the desired center point. Move the mouse to the desired size and click a second point. Move the mouse to shape the ellipse and click to place the shape. 7. Click the hatch. 7. Click the hatch. Use the hatch tool to fill a shape with a pattern. It's the square at the bottom right corner of the draw panel in the toolbar. Click the tool, then click a shape to fill it. You can choose any of the patterns or solid fills that appear in the pattern panel that shows in the toolbar while hatch is enabled. 8. Click the Modify panel to edit your shapes. 8. Click the Modify panel to edit your shapes. Use the tools in the Modify panel to edit your shapes. Click Move to move a line or shape. After clicking the tool, click the object you want to move, and then drag it anywhere. Click Rotate and then a shape to turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. If you want to flip the image, use the Mirror tool. 9. Click the Annotate tab to add text and tables. 9. Click the Annotate tab to add text and tables. Click the Annotate tab to add text and tables. Click single line or multi-line on the top left side of the ribbon toolbar to switch between text styles. Any text you add will also act as a single object that you can move. 10. Work with 3D objects. Work with 3D objects. There are two ways to switch to a 3D view. One is to drag the view cube at the top right corner, and the other is to click the orbit icon in the right panel. Click the 3D Tools tab at the top to open editing tools specific to 3D design. Click the down arrow below box in the modeling panel of the toolbar view and select different 3D objects to draw. 11. Place drawings on different layers. Place drawings on different layers. On the Home tab, click the Layer Properties icon in the Layers panel to display the Layer Properties panel. This shows all layers and what you can do with them. Click the icon of 3 sheets of paper with a red and yellow circle on its left side. It's the first icon on top of the Layer Properties panel, to create and name a new layer. Now you'll have 2 layers in the panel. Save your drawing. Save your drawing. To save what you're working on, click the A menu at the top left corner and select Save As, and choose Drawing. This lets you save your work as a DWG file. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.